Why you need liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, for your car, rather than the traditional petrol and diesel. Citizen TV had this to say.
But here in Nairobi, there is an upshot of cars using liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG, what you use for cooking.
Liquefied petroleum gas, what you use in your house daily to cook your meals, can be used to power your car. Aren't you just done with the frustrating fuel crisis? We are either dealing with a shortage, or hammered with shocking fuel prices. Do you drive a lot? Do you know there is a way you can save up to 35% in fuel costs? Be smart with your money. Switch to gas for your car. How it works. LPG conversion might still be uncommon in Kenya, but the technology has been around for over 40 years, and mostly utilized around the world to operate trucks, cabs, and forklifts. LPG is supplied in liquid form, and as it passes through the converter of your car, it changes to gaseous state in the engine. The gas tank is fitted in the boot of your car, and works in the exact same way as the traditional system. Benefits? You pay less for a liter of gas compared to fuel. Keeps your engine clean without the deposits found from using petrol or diesel. Better for the environment due to lower pollutant emissions. Provides precise gas metering. Convenient use. You can fit the gas system alongside the fuel one. This means your vehicle will continue to run on petrol if you ran out of gas. Safe operation. The gas is stored in a strong steel tank, fitted with safety valves. A fuel injection car is actually more likely to ignite and explode than one of gas. It only takes 5 to 8 hours to install the system. LPG is the best option for today's Kenyan car owner. Convert, and get value for your money. Autogas is the only company in Kenya, with enough know-how, manpower and experience in doing the conversions. They are currently offering 2 packages. Package number 1. Paid package. For the paid package, you will be required to pay an upfront fee of 55,000 Kenyan shillings, and the system will be yours. You will be fueling at 10 shillings less per liter than those on the free package. Currently, at the making of this video, the pump price is at 89 Kenyan shillings per liter of LPG. Package number 2. Free conversion package. Currently, at the making of this video, Autogas is offering a free conversion package to eligible Uber, Bolt and little cab car owners. What you get. Under the free package, Autogas will lease the LPG system to you, and you will be fueling at a cost of 10 shillings more per liter of LPG than the current market price for the paid system. At the time of making this video, a liter of LPG under the free conversion package is 99 Kenyan shillings. They are also currently running a promotion, whereby you get for free a full tank of LPG upon successful conversion. What are you waiting for? Make the decision to convert today, before the promotion ends. Please leave a comment below in case you need further information, or you need to book a mandatory but free inspection, and know if your car is eligible for conversion. Alternatively, you can send us an email at bookmyinspectiontoday@gmail.com, and we will be more than happy to give you the information you need. At Book My Inspection Today, we will make sure your eligible car is on queue for a mandatory but free LPG conversion inspection. There are no walk-in inspections, you will have to schedule an inspection to know if your car is eligible. Avoid all the hustle. Drop us an email at bookmyinspectiontoday@gmail.com with your name, phone number, and car registration number, and tell us you want to book the free inspection. This will help us in following up on your inspection booking status, ultimately speeding up the process. Your information will be kept private. We value your feedback. If you found this information helpful, consider leaving a comment, liking this video, and sharing it with your friends, so that they can also convert and save big. Just like you. Disclaimer. The views expressed in this video are in no way the views of Royal Media Services, Citizen TV, Uber, Bolt or Little Cab. No infringement whatsoever was intended in the making of this video. No harm whatsoever was meant to former President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. The clips used were only for illustrative purposes.